Hey everyone, welcome back to Pay and Theta. And boy, has it been a crazy week. AMD was up so much and then down. I thought I got it at a great price. I still am not upset with this trade. Definitely glad I still own AMD. I think it could definitely been worth way more than 82. If you just see this chart right here, I mean, it went up to 85 and then it went down and then went up and then went down. It's just extreme volatility, of course. Welcome to the stock market with presidential election coming up. Very, very volatile, but at the same time, you can make a lot of money. I think I'm going to go back again at AMD at 81. I was fine with it last week. I'm fine with it this week. Can make a little bit more money. Um, really just collecting premium on AMD. I think $81 is a very, very fair price. I think we're probably going to see a little bit of a run up here coming into earnings. Let's see. Probably one day, 1 year. Earnings is in just a few weeks, maybe 3 weeks. Definitely saw a little bit of a run up down. I mean, I think it's probably range bound in between the 87 and 80 if just stabbing out there. I think below 80 is just really too cheap in my opinion. So I really wouldn't mind owning it at $81. I want to own as many shares of AMD as I can. I have 132 right now. Would like it to make it 232, honestly, especially getting paid to do so. And I think I'm gonna sell a covered call at the 82.50 or 92.50, should I say, for 20 bucks. It really isn't much money. It's something, but I just think the chances of it going there are really small. Granted, they could have great news and they're crushing Intel or whatever. It could definitely happen. So that's why I'm still getting a little bit of money, honestly, for it. But I rather just set it really, really high and make well over $1,000 off the stock itself. Um, but yeah, I don't want it. I just don't think this is going to happen. If it does, then I guess I'm just going to shake my head and say it's bound to be on the AMD part. Bank of America, I think it's at a very, very good price. It's at 20, or I want to sell it at 24. It's like 24.10 right now. Bank of America, 24.20. I think this is a pretty low mark for it. As you can see here, this is always, if you just see this horizontal line, this 24 mark has really been, I would say, the bottom part of it, at least for the past few months. And there's a little bit of premium on it. Bank of America, the 24, you're probably looking at about a little bit under $30 just because there's a little bit of time value over the weekend. Still, I think that fits my criteria of a good company at a good price and the 1%. So I think that's what I'm going to do for this. Make a few, 100, 200 bucks, maybe a little bit more. These calls are still looking good, and AT&T, it's actually gone up a little bit. Kind of been the same price though. I've got a few more weeks on it for 16 bucks. We're really going to see on AT&T. The dividend is coming up, so that should be nice. It's a huge dividend, 52 cents a share. I've got over 200 and something shares. It's going to be a pretty nice payday. I think it's like a 130 buck payday, and I'll just rebuy a share. So that'll be good on that part. That's pretty much on my main account. My side account, I did not even take a trade last week. So let me just make this week 6 because I didn't even trade last week. Just because I didn't have too much money and I didn't really see too much going on. I already had Bank of America, but I think I'm going to Bank of America again. I'm going in the other account. There's a little bit of money to be made. I made 57 cents. So really, I'm actually up on this Bank of America play because it's at 24.20 we saw. So I made about $30 off of that, and I'm gonna make 15 and make it 50 bucks higher than what I bought it for. So just kind of rolling this money, and it's not like anything out of the water Bank of America, but it's definitely a good solid payment. And as you can see, my last videos on this account, I am actually down 10% on Bank of America, yet I am still up because I've made $876 off of it, and I'm down 600. So I've still made 200 bucks, and I'm getting paid dividends. It's a really good company, and I think banks aren't really going away. I know they've got some troubling times ahead of them in terms of interest rates and stuff like that, the economy, but you know they've been bailed out once, and I just think they'll be bailed out again. Let's be real. Like they really can't feel. They really can't fail. Uh, Other than that, that's pretty much my recap. Just two really stocks I'm looking at this week. Not really anymore. Making a little bit of premium, and we will see how these play out and see price movement come Monday, and see if we can get close to these ranges. So thanks so much for watching, you guys. If you really like this content, please remember to leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Catch you guys later.